Now I'm going to teach you the Experian Backdoor method, part 2. First thing you want to do is go to the link in my bio. I created a link to the Backdoor site since you don't have access to it. Click the link. Once you do, you'll come to a screen that looks like this. Go ahead and fill out the area that says access by report number. You're going to put that report number that you wrote down in the last step in here, along with your social and your email address. Agree to the terms and conditions and click submit. Next, you want to click expand all in the little box to the upper right hand corner. Take a look at every single name spelling. It will have all of your name spellings from your Experian report. Check every single name for any misspellings, names that you don't use or never gone by. You're going to write those down. Next, you're going to scroll down to the addresses area. I want you to take note of a little area called the address identification number. Now, I can't show you my report because it's way too much sensitive information and I would literally have to redact everything and you guys wouldn't be able to see anything anyway. If you look next to your addresses, like I said, you'll see that 10-digit address identification number. I want you to take note of each one of these numbers. Now, I want you to scroll down and I want you to look at all of your negative accounts. Notice that that address identification number is in there as well. This is how they're auto-verifying each one of your accounts. So every address that you dispute should be attached to one of these negative accounts. Once that address is gone, that address identification number can no longer be linked to your identity. This is how you make it way more difficult for them to auto-verify accounts. So I want you to dispute these names and these addresses in your personal identifiers letter that you're going to send before you start disputing. That is the Experian Backdoor method. Be sure to follow for more tips that'll help you increase your credit scores.